Hey there, if you're looking to grow your savings, you're in the right place. I'm excited to share with you 5 simple investments that can potentially turn your $1,000 into $10,000 in just 5 years. Now, I know what you're thinking. That sounds too good to be true, but stick with me, and I'll break it down for you. First, let's talk about the power of compound interest. It's a fundamental concept in investing that can help your money grow exponentially over time. Essentially, it's the idea that the interest you earn on your investment earns interest itself, creating a snowball effect that can help your savings balloon. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've done my research, and I'm excited to share these 5 simple investments with you. Keep in mind that investing always involves some level of risk, so make sure you do your own research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. The first investment I want to talk about is a high-yield savings account. Now, I know what you're thinking. A savings account isn't exactly an investment, but hear me out. High-yield savings accounts can offer interest rates that are significantly higher than traditional savings accounts, and they're extremely low risk. Some high-yield savings accounts can offer interest rates as high as 2% or more, which may not seem like a lot, but it's a great place to start, especially if you're new to investing. The second investment I want to talk about is index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500. They're a great way to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk because they spread your investment across a broad range of stocks. Index funds are also relatively low cost, which means you can keep more of your money. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged around a 10% annual return over the long term, which is pretty impressive. The third investment I want to talk about is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning physical properties. They can provide a steady stream of income and the potential for long-term growth. Some REITs can offer dividend yields of 4% or more, which is a great way to earn passive income. Plus, REITs can be a great way to diversify your portfolio, because they're not directly correlated with the stock market. The fourth investment I want to talk about is a robo-advisor. Robo-advisors are online investment platforms that use algorithms to manage your investments. They're a great option for beginners because they're low cost and easy to use. Robo-advisors can help you create a diversified portfolio and provide professional management at a fraction of the cost of a traditional financial advisor. Some robo-advisors can offer returns of 5% or more per year, depending on your investment portfolio and risk tolerance. The fifth and final investment I want to talk about is a micro-investing app. Micro-investing apps allow you to invest small amounts of money into a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or ETFs. They're a great option for beginners because they're low cost and easy to use. Micro-investing apps can help you get started with investing, even if you only have a small amount of money to invest. Some micro-investing apps can offer returns of 3% or more per year, depending on your investment portfolio and risk tolerance. Now, let's talk about how these investments can potentially turn your $1,000 into $10,000 in just 5 years. Of course, this is just a hypothetical example, and actual results may vary. But assuming an average annual return of 20% per year, which is aggressive but possible, your $1,000 investment could grow to over $2,500 in just 1 year. In 2 years, it could grow to over $6,000, and in 3 years, it could grow to over $10,000. Of course, this is just a rough estimate, and actual results may vary. But the point is, with the right investments and a long-term perspective, it's possible to grow your savings significantly over time. The key is to start early, be consistent, and patient. Don't expect to get rich quick, but instead, focus on steady, long-term growth. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, but what about the risks? And that's a great question. Investing always involves some level of risk, and there are no guarantees. However, by diversifying your portfolio and taking a long-term perspective, you can reduce your risk and increase your potential for returns. In conclusion, these 5 simple investments can potentially help you grow your $1,000 into $10,000 in just 5 years. Of course, actual results may vary, but the point is, with the right mindset and strategy, Anyone can start investing and growing their wealth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, I hope this video has provided you with some valuable insights and inspiration to take control of your finances. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about steady, long-term growth and patience. Don't expect to get rich quick, but instead, focus on building wealth over time. And always keep in mind, investing involves risk, so make sure you do your own research and consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.